that big one over there is going to come out.
I know, you see it.
Yeah, she's going to start to open up. They're camera shy.
Yeah. Sounds like they're farting. There, look at that one, Jill. Yeah. It's the noises they make, though. Hey, they can move themselves around, though, just the same, eh?
Oh, yeah. You want to see something burrow itself into the sand real quick, dude?
Oh, yeah. That one's gonna come out, the big one, then? You should get your camera, Jill. Well, it's right there.
Near there.
That one's gonna come out. Do you want to get my camera from you?
It's in the brown bag.